I hope you all had a magical Christmas season. If your Christmas felt a little bit like mine and it was a marathon of busy, and now you would like nothing more than to get your house clean and tidy, undecorated for Christmas, and find some new homes for those new items. I am about to pull down all of our Christmas decor, and I like to leave some toys, baskets out for my kids for those days after Christmas, because I know we are going to be doing projects and opening new things in and out of those baskets over those next couple of days. And then once I sort of see that process slow down, then I know it's a good time to start finding homes for those things. So if you are in the same place as me, I am going to give you some great motivation to get cleaned up after Christmas.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
When I am putting my Christmas decorations away, I am thinking about what it's going to be like to unpack them the following year and what things I can do to make it as easy as possible. So putting like items together, making sure that it's gone away so it's really easy to unpack. That way next year it's like a gift to your future self.
And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
My favorite part of this tree is how quick and easy it is to put away and put back up each year. I really like that it has a small footprint, not only when it's up at Christmas time, but also when I put it away. And one thing that I try and do as I'm putting away any Christmas decorations is think about things that I haven't used this year, and it's a great time to declutter before you store them for another 11 months. Hey guys, this is your friendly reminder to take any batteries out of your Christmas decor. If there is something with batteries, these will be a drama next year. So here's your friendly reminder to take them out before you pack them away.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
I don't know about you guys, but every year I tend to have Christmas things all over the house. And so something that I like to do is as I'm moving through and collecting Christmas decor, I just put it all in one big pile. Sometimes I even leave it there for a day or two, but I also use this time to do a quick clean in any of those areas where I'm moving the decor from. It's if you are like me and get easily distracted, this is a great way of kind of doing two jobs at the same time.
I don't letting it go. Spend my coin for show. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make...
On Christmas morning, I just pull out a few empty baskets so that I've got sort of a landing station for all of those new gifts that we've unwrapped. And this just sort of lasts for a couple of days so we can be in and out of those baskets. But once we're ready to start finding homes, I find it really helpful to just bring out whatever toy storage you use. So if you use cube storage or have a toy box, and that way you can kind of do a quick declutter if you've got new things to replace old things, but you can also start to group those items together so that they find a home straight away.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
We had quite a number of guests over this holiday season, and so there were just some areas of our home that don't usually get food or worked on but get that full use during this season. And so I like to give things a little deep clean if I see some stains, or give things an extra vacuum just to make sure that we're reset, ready to go for the new year.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Truth moment, guys. I have a terrible habit for losing the lens cap for my camera. So if you ever see something weird in my back pocket, it's just my lens cap because I often forget where I've put it. But now I'm just moving on to our front door. I'm just going to give that a really good clean as I move the Christmas decorations. This time of year in Australia, it is dusty, it is hot, and we also get storms. So it's a great time for me to give it a really good clean out.
Those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Between the workout my house gets with all the extra guests, as well as all of the bits from my Christmas tree and the inevitable glitter from all of those decorations, I like to give my floors a really good clean. It just helps things to be reset, and then I can just go back to my normal everyday cleaning routine after this is done.
Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stars.